Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2011 BMW 328i 3.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Two different type flat tip screwdrivers, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 17mm socket, cup type oil filter wrench, funnel, brake clean, and my oil drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An engine oil filter, 7 quarts of full synthetic 530 engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. So I'm going to be removing my oil filler cap, putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go under the vehicle. So we're under the vehicle. So there's a little inspection plate right here. We got to remove this. That's where the engine oil drain plug is. So with a screwdriver, I'll just turn this guy and then take it off. So my drain plug is right here, so I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. And tightening it up. Putting on this plastic plate. So I'm going to be changing the oil filter. So it's on the top of the engine, front of the engine. It's right in here. So I'm going to be using a cup type oil filter wrench to remove the cup. So I'm going to be removing this filter, cleaning it out. I'm going to be changing this O-ring. Putting the new O-ring on. Then I'm going to be replacing this O-ring. Putting the new filter on. So I'm going to be putting some oil on my O-rings. That way when you screw it on, it's just going to slide on. Okay, so we're going to wipe this guy up. Screw it on. So I'm going to be adding my engine oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding in a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing my funnel, putting on my oil filler cap. If you notice, this engine, it doesn't have a dipstick. So we're just going according to the manufacturer. It says 7 quarts. You just put 7 quarts in and that's it. So now we're going to lower the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to start up the vehicle. Okay, then you're good to go. So that's how you change engine oil and an oil filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.